Alrighty, YouTubers, we are back again with another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We are in the holiday mix right now, guys. So, still got, a month left until Santa comes through. So you might want to tell him you're going to need one of these. And then, there. What is this? Solar motion. Oh. Yeah, definitely, this would be a nice little gift to give somebody. Protect your home. Coming from Biling? Solar. Yep, Biling. Ooh. Look at this one. This looks nice. LED, PIR, battery, solar, 266 LED. Alright. We got the screws and the holders. And here she is, guys. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, it's a two-pack. Very nice. Biling. So it's easy to install. That's a good thing. 266 LED high brightness, solar battery charging system, motion sensor, 3 modes. Model 1 human body induction mode. Model 2 human body interaction slight light mode. Model 3 slight light mode. Okay. What is not seeing anywhere that shows. Alright. Well, I'll leave the link down below. Here's the back of it. Really nice. See the screw on top right there. Here's the solar. Boom. The sides. That's really nice though. How do I turn this thing on? Here's a button. I wonder if it's too light out right now. I'm gonna have to shut the light off for a second. Hold on. Let's see if this helps. Maybe we can test it out. Ah, Jesus. It is bright. Look at that. Blam. This is nice. Really nice design, though. You can flush mount these anywhere, especially in the garage area outside by the back patio. It's super bright. I mean, it's still early out, too. I mean, look at that. Shoes. So really cool. Like I said, you get a 2-pack. See now it's shut off. Boom. 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 So that one works great. He's got to hold it in for a few seconds. And it'll start up. So, that was really easy to do. I'm just not sure where I'm going to install these right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at all of them lined up though. See the globe. Alright. So check them out, guys. Biling on Amazon Prime. Link will be down below. And this is what you get. 2-pack. So, alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. See ya.